in the US markets, you are seeing actually a strong rotational move. We are seeing strength, of course, with crypto exposed names, but how high can they go? So you're seeing actually some charts. I'm going to show you a few charts. Let's take a look at the market. So you've got actually all of your crypto related names actually rising, but take note that there are resistances here. So take note that EBON, or aka EBANG, was discussed as actually a crypto exchange and a miner that will basically experience a benefit from these crypto related movements. And so from 5, it's now trading at 11, 12. I do think that this $12 is a resistance. So you might actually want to trim tonight. So this is actually an area of resistance. So the people who actually bought at 7 got that 12 move, 7 to 12, or even those who got in at 5 here. So perhaps 5 to 7 was their initial target, but there was a gravy move, so 5 to 12. So very strong move on your crypto names, which you can actually so far profit take. So all of that, of course, has been dependent on your BTC. Yes, your BTC continues to strongly run up. So we made the buy call here about 32 just recently. Of course, there's so many arrows here. You wait for that entry points. And so far, just wanted to say that extension can go further. You've got 52 trading, perhaps it's possible for it to actually go 60,000. So that would be your extensionary move. 50,000 to 54,000 to 60,000 will be a strong run up for your BTC, which will actually make all of your related crypto exposures actually go further higher. So take a look at what happened for your crypto related exposures. Your EBON went up, your CAN is actually stronger. Here about $4 is now trading at $20, or a 5x move in just a month. So that is this is January 29, and this is actually February 17. We do think that these moves, like 5x moves, can actually be sustained. However, it can also get a profit taking. So just for fast moves, no, these are actually some trimming areas. So for those who have CAN, EBON and CAN, you might actually want to take some profits off. So of course, people are asking, of course, Argo blockchain. Yeah, Argo blockchain went up very strongly. Some people might actually have sold here at 145. Take note that is like EBON at 7 that went up. So from 7 to 12. So this one went from 140 to 280. Just wanted to share that, of course, they can go higher, but you want to actually be profit taking on the way up. So this is 9, it's now 280, or at times 30 move, 30x move in about January, February, or about 2 months. It could actually take some profits off. Sure, maybe it can even go 360, but you want to actually be trimming on the way up rather than sleeping on it. Okay, yes, you make money while you're sleeping, but you actually want to trim. Trim doesn't mean to sell all, just a trim. It also doesn't mean that you chase. Those who didn't buy it yet should actually learn to actually restrain themselves because you're late. Take note that Huobi Tech rose already from about $6, $8 here to as high as 28, or almost 3x move. So these are really fast money moves. You want to actually be trimming a 3x move, or a 5x move, or a 10x move in a month, or 30x move in 2 months is actually worth taking some profits from. So you're seeing actually the market is rotating heavily, very strong movements, very fast movements. And so you want to actually be taking advantage and be on the selling prowl. Okay, this is not the chart, by the way. This assumes that you have it because EBON and CAN was discussed as crypto exposures. Argo blockchain has been being discussed inside Inner Circle for some crypto-related themes for stock plays. So Northern Data, we tried to follow even at 110. So far, 140 didn't double. So not all names doubling, but still the same sector move. Of course, OSTK, we mentioned OSTK. OSTK about $54, $53 here, now trading at $100. Could go 120, but looks like this is really more like a take profits on the way up. What else? EasyRop is, of course, the token of Overstock, rallied from about $2.50, now trading at $7. Could go $8, but these are all profit-taking areas. So you should be actually aware that the 4x move in about 6 months, or sorry, not even 6 months, we are talking about 2 months or less, are actually opportunities to also be trimming. So let me just show to you how big of the movements and crypto exposures are. Yes, Bit Digital, we're talking about, let's just talk about December. It doesn't have to be even here. Your December moves, you have $5 to $30. So you want to actually be taking profits on these names, double top perhaps on Bit Digital. CryptoStar, you remember, told you about them. CryptoStar is in Canada. CryptoStar was 80% up last night. So after hitting here, we're saying about 6 cents and about 9 cents, now trading at 22. Can go to 25 cents, yes, but just be aware of these resistances. So very strong movement last night is actually a prompt for me to actually be profit taking on extensions. People are asking, yes, Mara, these are extended memes. Rallied even further from 40, it's now trading at 48. You want to actually be taking advantage of these movements to actually be selling. So even let's say just January 11 to 48, these are times 4 moves. You want to actually be profit taking. Congrats to those who have crypto exposures. Stocks with crypto exposures have been doing 300%, 400% well, even way better, of course, than GBTC. So most people are only aware with the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, 32 to 54. So this is really just a copycat of your Bitcoin, right? But I think like Bitcoin can actually just rally to 60,000. So or even if it goes higher, it will actually get some sort of extensionary moves. Take note that we are talking about technicals. It could be actually a different format that you are thinking about. But I'm thinking like just technicals has some resistances about 60,000. Doesn't mean that it will plunge, but just be aware that it's a trim on the way up.